DECOGLO and DECOPRIME interior wood, hardboard, and wallboard paint and primer provide a high-quality, ultra-low VOC coating designed with exceptional durability for interior cabinets, doors, and trim, providing a luxurious and durable finish. DECOPRIME or DECOGLO coatings are applied independently. However, to ensure you get long-lasting, quality results on your wood surfaces, we recommend using them together. Before you begin applying, be sure to have the following: a sanding block, either a brush, roller, or sprayer with the proper tip, and a depth gauge to ensure proper coverage. Prep your DECOGLO paint by mixing well. Start by sanding your surfaces with 220 grit sandpaper until smooth. Then wipe away all dust and debris. Apply your first coat using a brush, roller, or paint sprayer. Use a mill gauge when spraying to ensure the proper thickness. For optimal coverage, performance, and finish, 2 coats of DECOGLO with a depth of 4 to 6 mils per coat are recommended. Follow these recommended drying times. Then, lightly sand your surfaces to remove all dust prior to applying each coat of paint. When prepping your surfaces using DECOPRIME, follow the same application procedures as DECOGLO using 2 primer coats. With proper preparation and application, DECOGLO, along with the DECOPRIME, provides a beautiful finish. To learn more about DECOGLO paints or to find your nearest store or dealer, go to www.tonededwards.com.